After establishing itself as a serious player on the smartwatch market, OnePlus is trying hard to crack the smartwatch market these days. Its new OnePlus Watch 2R is here, and it's a more affordable, yet mostly similar offshoot of the OnePlus Watch 2 that was released just a couple of months ago. Both smartwatches pack similar features, but the materials and price tags set them apart. One offers premium stainless steel and sapphire, while the other opts for a lighter, more affordable build. Which one should you get, and why are we gravitating to the newer watch? Okay, let's get it out of the way. The only real difference between the OnePlus Watch 2 and OnePlus Watch 2R are the design and the price tag. The new OnePlus Watch 2R comes along with an aluminum case, while the OnePlus Watch 2 had a more pronounced and more premium-looking stainless steel one. There's a significant design difference in the frontal design as well. The new wearable has a monochrome dial printed up front, whereas the OnePlus Watch 2 is more subdued and reminiscent of a proper dress watch. Thanks to the use of lighter materials, we get some significant weight reductions with the new smartwatch. It weighs just 37 grams without the band, which is way less than the 49 grams that the premium smartwatch weighs. Might not sound like a major difference, but this is something that you'll come to cherish once you wear the OnePlus Watch 2R in bed in order to make use of its great sleep tracking. Both devices are similar in terms of size, 46mm. This makes them not very appropriate for people with thinner wrists. Both feature 1.43-inch OLED displays that are super vibrant and crisp, but there's a major difference in what protects the display. While the OnePlus Watch 2 features scratch-resistant sapphire glass, the OnePlus Watch 2R gets plastic 2D glass. Either one of OnePlus's latest smartwatches are IP68 rated, which means they'll survive in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. You can use any standard 22mm band with either the OnePlus Watch 2 or 2R. OnePlus doesn't try to reinvent the wheel with a bespoke band attachment mechanism. Instead, it uses the tried and tested 22mm lug and spring system that's been around forever. That said, the stock bands are okay, but absolutely nothing to write home about. With the OnePlus Watch 2R, we get a grippy silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle, which feels good and offers decent perspiration. The OnePlus Watch 2 one is made of fluoro rubber, OnePlus says, but it feels similar to the silicone one on the newer device, despite the fancier name. One software feature of both the OnePlus Watch 2 and the OnePlus Watch 2R is that they come with two operating systems on deck, Wear OS and RTOS. Smart Mode is what the Wear OS environment is called, giving you all the standard smartwatch features and functionalities. RTOS becomes active when you turn on the Power Saver mode. In Power Saver mode, you can only use a few things, like keeping track of your heart rate and breathing, tracking your sleep, doing workouts, setting alarms and timers, controlling your media, and using the Compass app to navigate, which is a bare-bones selection of functionalities. What's more, most third-party apps, fancy watch faces, and SOS calls are unavailable. What you get in return is superb battery life on either device. You pair the smartwatches with the O-Health app on your Android phone. You can use it with any Android device, but iOS isn't supported. You can also use NFC with full support for Google Wallet with either watch, which is always a cool feature to have. Heart rate monitoring and SpO2 tracking are available. However, other health tracking options are limited. The heart rate accuracy isn't also ideal. With either watch, it takes some time before seemingly accurate heart rate reading is achieved. OnePlus's smartwatches do a solid job with sleep tracking. While the OnePlus Watch 2R is more lightweight and comfortable to wear throughout the night, the sleep tracking accuracy of either device is on par with other smartwatches. You get sleep stage tracking, sleep breakdown, and a sleep score assigned to every one of your sleeping sessions. Both the OnePlus Watch 2 and 2R come with dual frequency L1 plus L5 GPS on board, just like the Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra. The OnePlus Watch 2R and OnePlus Watch 2 both offer impressive battery life thanks to their dual chip architecture and efficient use of power. The Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and BES 2700 BP chips inside the Duo manage background tasks efficiently, allowing up to 4 days of battery life in smart mode. Disabling smart mode can extend battery life up to 10 days. Not much going on in the prices. Each smartwatch is available in a cinch version. The OnePlus Watch 2R costs $230, while the more premium OnePlus Watch 2 goes for $300. You can make and take calls on the OnePlus Watch 2 or the OnePlus Watch 2R, but you'll have to have the paired phone nearby since they don't have LTE connectivity on their own. Haptic feedback on both watches is terrible though. It's wonky, weak, and high-pitched. I ended up turning it off. It's that annoying. So, should you get the new OnePlus Watch 2R? Certainly. If you're in the market for a Wear OS smartwatch to pair with your Android phone, it's superb value, especially at this price point. Seeing that both of those two have the same feature sets means that there's little reason to get the OnePlus Watch 2. Sure, it has better design and a sapphire screen, but in the grand scheme of things, those two might not be that important. While it's not extremely advanced and surely lacks some deeper health metrics and data analysis, it definitely is a worthy purchase for those that want a dependable smartwatch with excellent battery life.